Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how to insert part list in a FreeCAD drawing and how we can give the balloon with respect to part list. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can also download my tutorial source file from here. You can also support my work by buying my FreeCAD crash course for beginner. It is a very basic level course for the beginner user where a beginner user can master the FreeCAD. And you can also support my work on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. You will get my website link and my Ko-Fi donation page link in a video description. As you can see that I have made an assembly pulley with a bracket assembly with the help of A2 plus workbench. You can see the constraint of A2 plus. First we will insert the part list in our assembly, and now we are going to switch to the A2 plus workbench. Here we will create a part list, and then we will use this part list in our drawing. So here I have activated the A2 plus workbench, and here you can see the part list options. So click on the part list and say yes. So you can see that a part list has been inserted here. Here you will see that position, quantity and other details. If you want, then you can directly edit it, a description of the part, but for this tutorial I am going to delete all these columns. I only require the position number, quantity and file name. So here we have inserted the part list. Now we will switch to the text draw workbench. So for this tutorial I am not going to insert the front, top and side view. I am just going to insert the isometric view of our assembly, and then we will insert the part and give the balloon. If you want to learn how to do the detailing, then you can follow my previous tutorial of individual parts, like how to give the detailing of a part in FreeCAD with respect to GD&T, welding and surface finish. I have already made the tutorial. This tutorial is basically focusing on the part list and ballooning of an assembly in FreeCAD. So here first we will insert the default page. So you can see that a page has been inserted. Now if you want to insert the projection group, either first angle or third angle projection, then you can go with these options, but I am not going to go with the projection group. I am just going to create an isometric view. So I will select the all my bodies available in the tree and click on insert view. So once I click on the insert view and I go to my drawing tab, so you can see that a current view has been inserted here. Now I will go to the page, and here is a scale is a 1, so I will reduce my scale to the 0.8. Okay, so this is the isometric view. Now we will insert the part list. So for this we will click on the part list, and here you will see an option known as insert the spreadsheet view. Click on it and go to our drawing tab. So you can see that spreadsheet has been inserted, but it is not as per our requirement, like position, quantity and file name. So we will edit it. We will again switch to the page view, and just be patient. Sometimes FreeCAD text draw workbench hangs. So here click on the spreadsheet and come to here cell start and cell ends. So if we go to the our spreadsheet view, so cell start with A1 and end with B2 this, so it should end with a C6. So we will going to here and give it here C6. C6, press the enter. Now we will go to the drawing view. So you can see that positions, quantity and file name. So here is a base, bracket, bush, pin and roller. And now you can off the frame and you can see your part list here. Now we will go to the balloon. So we will on the frame, and now here is our base part, which is this one. So we will select this edge and click on here the balloon icon. So you can see that one number has been inserted. Now if you go here in a property tabs, then you can customize the arrow type, which is a field arrow, and a text you can change here as well. So this is the base and second is the bracket. So this one is the bracket. So I will select the edge and click on the balloon. So bracket is a 2 number, so all you have to click on the balloon and here in the text type the 2. So as of now it is not a parametric, but like other softwares, but you can give the balloon. And third is a bush. So we will go to our assembly here and we will check what is the bush. So this here is a bush is a third number, so we will go to the page and we will zoom it and we will select the bush and click on the balloon. So bush here is a 3 number, so we will click on it and give the 3. Fourth is a pin, so this is the pin. We will select the edge of the pin and give the balloon. So pin is of 4 number, so we will select it and give here the 4 numbers. And fifth one is a roller. Select the edge and give the balloon and escape it, delete this balloon. And this is the fifth one is a roller, so just zoom it and give the here number 5. Now in this our part list we have not included the fasteners here, but you can add the fasteners list here and according to that you can give the balloons. Now if you click on the balloons, you will see the customization option here. You can change the type. For example, instead of a circular bubble shape, you can select the triangle as well if you want. Scale type, shape scale type you can change. Then here lock positions, labels, arrow types. So here if you want to select the dot, you can also select the dot. Scale type, let's see, change to the 5. So here are the customization options which you can try. So this is all about a very small tutorial how to insert the part list in a FreeCAD assembly drawing and how to give the balloons. So this is all about this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, then please like, subscribe and share this channel. You can also support me on coffee.com. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.